Welcome back to Monday Trivia, where I share all the random trivia I learned last week with you. Have you heard of the Trojan computer virus? Now, the story goes that the Greeks were actually trying to capture Troy and they could never enter the city. The battle kept going on and on. So, they decided they need a new strategy. They created this beautiful large horse and they left it at the gates of Troy and they exited from there. Now, inside the horse was actually some of their best soldiers. So, obviously, the people of Troy, they opened the gates, they got that horse inside, and they left it there. It was like, oh wow, we finally won. And then at night, those Greek soldiers came out, they opened the gates, let the other soldiers in, and that is how they won from within. So, essentially, a Trojan virus similarly attacks your computer from within, and this is where that story comes from. Why do I need so many coffee cups? Well, there's actually a reason. Did you know that your coffee taste changes based on the size, shape, and material of your cup? For example, in a white cup, because of the contrast, coffee can actually taste a little bit bitter. In a blue cup, coffee tastes sweeter. Similarly, in a narrow cup, coffee is more aromatic, and in a wider cup, it's sweeter. So, the next time someone questions why you're buying so many cups, you have a scientific reason for it. Did you know that 10 to 30% of the data that ChatGPT is trained on is actually from Reddit? Now, the thing is that Sam Altman and the founder of Reddit both went to Y Combinator. This is where a lot of famous startups like even Airbnb have come out of, and that's where they became friends. So, when ChatGPT, the model, was getting trained, it actually used a lot of data from Reddit. Now, all of this I read in this incredible book called Supremacy, which has a lot of really interesting stories about AI. So, let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do a review on the book, and I'll see you next Monday.